Hi, Susie Dingle here. I'm in my office where I do my writing, and I'm working really hard to get a middle grade novel finalized. So today and next week, I've turned my channel over to my kitty. Her name is Annie, and she was a stray to us a year and a half ago, and she's doing really, really well. She's so proud of herself. She'd like to show you how she's walking with a leash, and then next week, she wants to give you a tour of the woodland garden in fall from her perspective. I do have her original story posted on my channel. It's called Annie's Tale, if you'd like to see that. So stay tuned for Annie and a whole lot of joy.
Just making petals everywhere. It's Cat Betty.
Guess who is back in the garden? Annie, after 2 months of being inside for immersion reschooling. She's no longer afraid of noises. She's integrated with other pets. She's on a fresh raw food diet of duck. And her all functioning is just beautiful right now for her. This is her second time out in the garden on the leash, and she is loving it. Oh, she likes being brushed now. She never liked that before. She is not bothered by the noise anymore at all. This would have flipped her out before you started your reschooling her, right?
Happy cat.
And she has confetti all over. She has alyssum petals all over her face.